The central processing unit, CPU, is the essential component of a computer, often referred to as its brain. It is responsible for executing program instructions, performing calculations, and managing data flow to and from other components. The CPU operates through a cycle known as fetch-decode-execute, which consists of three primary steps. First, it fetches an instruction from memory, initiating the command execution process. Next, the CPU decodes the instruction, translating it into machine language that it can understand. Finally, the CPU executes the instruction, which may involve calculations, data movement, or interactions with input/output devices. This cycle is continuous as long as the CPU receives instructions, resembling a fast assembly line where each instruction is processed in rapid succession. Understanding the CPU's role in its operational cycle is crucial for grasping how computers function. Furthermore, optimizing CPU performance is vital for ensuring efficient operation of various applications. Modern CPUs are complex and feature various components that enhance their capabilities, making them indispensable for any computing device.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.